In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 best gaming motherboards available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the MSI MPG Z690 Carbon Wi-Fi Gaming Motherboard. The LGA 1700 socket was introduced by Intel with the debut of their 12th Gen Core CPUs, and the MSI MPG Z690 Carbon Wi-Fi is happy to support this significant advancement. It's challenging to match this outstanding motherboard's price of under $400 in quality. You will be prepared for the newest graphics cards in the future thanks to the new Z690 chipset's PCIe 5.0 capability. You can use one of the two PCIe 5.0 by 16 slots at full bandwidth or divide its lanes to distribute across the two. Even better, a third PCIe 3.0 by 16 slot with 4 lanes is available, making it ideal for adding more. The storage support on this motherboard also has 5 M.2 slots, 4 of which are PCIe 4.0, which is a significant advantage. If this isn't enough to convince you, there's also a strong CPU overclocking function, excellent Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, and a fantastic middle pricing point. At number 4 is the Gigabyte Z690 Aorus Xtreme Gaming Motherboard. The Gigabyte Z690 Aorus Xtreme is a great place to start if you like our first choice but want something more potent that you can push to the limit. The most recent Intel 12th generation processors are compatible with this gaming motherboard. Additionally, you may couple it with the best high-performance components thanks to the powerful 20+1+2 phases VRM design. The 4 DIMM slots can accommodate DDR5 memory, which will greatly boost your typical bandwidth while consuming less power, improving overall performance. Even more overclocking is possible, thanks to its unique tuning capabilities. If you appreciate what you've heard up to this point, there are even more fantastic features to let you play video games at their best. With the support of PCIe 4.0 SSDs, you can benefit from a high-speed storage capacity. Furthermore, this motherboard is equipped with 3 extension PCIe slots, including 2 PCIe 5.0 slots, making it able to support the newest graphics cards as well as other devices. Additionally, it is equipped with a ton of ports, including USB 3.2, USB Type-C, and Thunderbolt 4 capability. Top 3 at our list is the ASUS TUF Gaming H670 Pro Wi-Fi D4 Gaming Motherboard. The motherboard, the ASUS TUF Gaming H670 Pro Wi-Fi D4, is reasonably priced and speeds up your computer. The newest 12th General Intel Core CPUs are supported thanks to its LGA 1700 socket and H670 chipset. Additionally, it has a PCIe 5.0 slot, which doubles PCIe 4.0's bandwidth and makes it ideal for supporting the newest GPUs. The 4 PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, which provide amazing performance potential and quick transfers, also allow SSDs. Additionally, there are 4 slots for memory, which are still restricted to DDR4 but should not hinder your processor's ability to run smoothly. The ASUS TUF Gaming H670 Pro Wi-Fi D4 is ideal for online gaming because it has a 2.5 gigabits LAN connector and a Wi-Fi 6 chip for networking. For your other devices to be able to benefit from all that potential bandwidth, you'll also discover a ton of USB ports and other connectors. This motherboard is a great choice for outfitting your gaming PC with the newest technology because it offers so much connectivity at a cost that won't break the bank. Moving up at number 2 is the ASRock X570PG Velocita Gaming Motherboard. Even while it can appear like the most amazing X570 motherboards are all outrageously expensive, the ASRock X570PG Velocita offers a lot for less than $250. The motherboard supports memory speeds up to an astonishing 5000 MHz in addition to supporting the most recent AMD Ryzen 5000 CPUs. In addition to 8 SATA connections and 2 PCIe 4.0 x 4 M.2 slots, you also get a lot of system storage capacity. Additionally, it has 3 PCIe 4.0 by 1 slots, 2 PCIe 4.0 x 16 slots, and is equipped to handle all of your extras. The board provides a ton of connectivity choices as well. The board has numerous USB ports, including a Thunderbolt option, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and 2.5 gigabits networking in addition to a plethora of USB ports. All of your internet games should go well on it. You can get a fashionable and functional board at a mid-range pricing by adding some RGB lights to the I/O shroud, chipset cooler, and RGB peripheral support. And at number 1 is the Gigabyte B550 Gaming X V2 Gaming Motherboard. With Gigabyte's B550 Gaming X motherboard, you can still get up to speed on a tight budget. With this ATX motherboard, you won't have to give up the newest features. With compatibility for Ryzen 3000 and Ryzen 5000 series processors, the Gigabyte B550 Gaming X gives you a wonderful selection of CPUs and APUs to base your system on. Additionally, you still have some overclocking potential with DDR4 memory support at 4733 MHz. When used with a Ryzen 5000 series processor, the B550 chipset promises to provide an upgrade to PCIe 4.0. This motherboard is no exception, allowing you to connect your graphics card or any add-in card fully via PCIe 4.0x16. Even a high-speed NVMe storage device has a PCIe 4.0x4 connection available to it. When games start to benefit from the direct connection between graphics cards and storage, that combo can put you on par with the best players. So that's sums of today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.